Health Minister assures discussion on issues of shifting of district hospital from Sagolmang in today's cabinet meeting. Disarm strongly condemns recommendation to place major courses of National Sports University in Uttar Pradesh. EK Higher Secondary School facilitated its Class 12 successful students. Congress leaders encourage students to lead society in the right path. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization urges full functioning of the Department of Minority at the earliest. And MLA Thanga clarifies there is no question of shielding Thanga gang rape accused, says befitted punishment will be awarded to the accused. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Health Minister Langpong Lakpam Jayantakumar has asserted that the decision on whether or not Imphal East District Hospital will be shifted from Sagolmang will be discussed at today's cabinet meeting. Jayantakumar, who also holds the art and culture portfolio, was speaking at the inaugural event of the 38th Annual State Exhibition of Arts. Responding to Impact News query on the Imphal East District Hospital issue, the minister intimated that the matter will be discussed and that initiative to improve the health sector in and around Sagolmang and Saikul will be raised at today's cabinet meeting. On the other hand, replying to a query on if there is a chance that the decision to shift the hospital will be revoked, Jayantakumar stated that it will be known only after the cabinet meeting. The cabinet meeting is underway at the time of filing this report.
Sagolmang is saying, it is early to predict. I see Magyaragi the cabinet matter Sagolmang mail and matter put talking Kale. Kasukinate, Yam detailed cabinet put a in ID, ma'am the highlighter. Adu handle river Sagolmangi, Akoivigi, Sakulgati Prasamam Sangi, Makwiki healthcare system, the Ladibetu improvement P and Makalgi, Pekazam Puragan Asisi, cabinet Putopi Abra and try to wrinkle.
Speaking to Impact News, Art and Culture Minister Jayantakumar stated that the Union Culture Minister will visit Manipur next month to inspect the various art and culture projects undertaken by the state. Responding to Impact News query on the progress of the construction of Culture University at Waka in Imphal East, the minister maintained that there are some lane-related disputes which will be resolved shortly. Relaying the interest shown by the Union Minister in this regard, the Minister Jayantakumar stated that the Union Minister is also being informed of the situation and will jointly inspect the location. The minister added that the site for construction of a film institute and film city, including a cultural complex at Chao Baching, Loktak Lake, will also be surveyed during the Union Minister's visit.
Culture University Lamda forest kilam yawi yaw de habiki controversy macheram le madu ko clear on the pocket thagri on have same nachu chiti me bi bedegi asne ko culture ki minister Mai Sharma unaraga mount project pirame seng related pirame photo highlight or me to discussion ma dore likely I have the me manung da malapi have ni but me almost lower than like junior da lap guitar ki tor maning gale adu laga de koina Manipur University gi sanaba leiba jaga adum amasung ko ki Loktak manung da Chaubi Hill san le do matik mathak to da ikhoni saningi makal gi cultural complex saningi ba amasung ko ki Manipur ki film city amasung film institute oni ba jaga sing do pura ka chalang mat materialize tam honari project loine ma process abo hogre in my physical presence kudak to mana process to roin torka पोटो मरी मरी चली मदो कोई ऑफिसर्स ना मदो परसू तौरी
Impact News reporter Khetrimayum Premchand and camera person Gurumayum Bhumeshwar bring you an exclusive report on the 5th day 38th State Art Exhibition.
Manipur ki horokliba art pamjaba naharo singbo puning thogot poina amadi Manipur ki lairiba phajakraba art makal kaya sibu malemda sak tak nabagi wakhalonda Manipur State Kala Academy na sinuna sei khudingi pangthokpa annual state exhibition of art handak sehiguina kuthaga nepalak suboina Palace compound labor. The 30th annual state exhibition of art organized every year with an objective to promote young artists and the art and culture of state, which is the identity of Manipur, kick off at Manipur State Art Gallery at Palace compound today. Artists taking part in the exhibition explain on the different forms of arts and the underlying ideas of the art forms showcased at the event.
Hoji Uliba Kwigi painting Mayamsi 2014-15 gi award ki damakta thazalakiba Kwigi paintings sculpture graphics mayam duni punna participant taramapan saruk yagi basida akhoi artwork tana kunmari thazalai artwork kunmari sigi manung sidai da koina sculpture dana mari khak oi graphics tana mapan painting dana tarama thoini award si ani ni pirise graphics tagi khangalaga award ma pire sculpture tagi khangalaga award ma pire sumaina uthok pasina koina thamiba pandam di tungi hogalai bana harol jing da su hena pungning thogat ma phauba aduga miyam praja da su akoigi sugumba artwork sing ji uhallaga moina leininga na leijaba kaigumba leigiba taragadi yi iba artist da su paisa phangna bagi kaino lambi ma oigani na adugi asada koi exhibition ji chai khudingi sinjabani.
Artists whose paintings mesmerized the visitors spoke to Impact News on the subject of their art pieces.
Oh, masi different artists singi magi message amamdi loina laigani akoigi miing dadi mana tawriba magi movement ko magi treatment si uthokpa mal sculpture sing si sumai magi different kanong aktane different akoi technique aktane aduga abstract haitare akoigi ko akoigi realistic natre sida leiriba kano ma cha inu ujawa matamda aya mana abstract form aktane adu makoi gi tongan ba idea ma ideology amdi lebam thoi koi fine arts ta lerisi akoigi painting haiba ma sculpture haiba ma ade graphic aibama ceramics kana mathang legre graphic kai sina kitang machine gi magi bathu ma darkar oi adigi amna ngasai gi etching kana aquatine kana am legre wood cut kana u da haga madu print loba adigi mu etching zinc plate khole haraga madri acid ka thadara kanda magi treatment tungan bam lejagre madu bo khona graphic anything ya
aina yexeriba medium ji acrylic medium da base to yexable line the oil medium the high the oil medium ju lai adu ko water based to medium ju lai the ai painting ji ko water based hoiba ko acrylic colors in the accept line family amada ko survive to riba hingna bai damta habidi suppose my husband ang ko auctionar lai ba khotpa adu amada based to accept bani aduga sona lai riba ai painting ji na ngai titles the unfinished business haina ko society the based to ko accept line hanjan tower laglaba no solution later ko society the based to accept bani leader high tara ko MLA matri singi moina tawriba placing sida ai paintings da usari left side da yoriba subject rai no usari ko national highway da sai gari pal lai khotpa singma problem ya ma aina puthok sari aduga ko rape ki case adigi ko molestation adigi singba women torture singa ko suna aina paintings da usari.
Although art and culture has been the identity of the state, a big question lies as to what the government has done for the artists who give lives to these various forms of art. On the other hand, if government takes initiatives for the artists, it is a firm belief that the art and culture of the state will continue to flourish. With camera person Gurumayum Bhumeshwar, this is Khetrimayum Premchand, Impact News, Imphal.
President of Desam Salam Akash has strongly condemned the administrative and managing body of National Sports University NSU Manipur for offering only physical education and sports coaching courses in Manipur campus and recommending the 3 major courses as off-campus courses in Uttar Pradesh. It may be mentioned that on the 11th of June, the NSU is calling for a walk-in interview for the faculty members of the 3 off-campus courses, namely Sports Management, Sports Journalism and Sports Performance Analysis, which will be taught in 3 separate places in Uttar Pradesh. He maintained that if the government does not respond to the issue before the 31st of May, Desam, in collaboration with other student and sports union, will adopt various agitative measures. Speaking to media person at Sagolban, Moirang Leirak, Salam Akash stated that the Chief Minister of UP has urged the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports on a national news channel to allocate the 3 courses at UP, citing the unfavorable location of Manipur as a main reason. Akash acknowledged that Manipur, being in the far east of the Indian boundary, might be inconvenient for people from other corners of the country. However, he asserted that the 2 courses offered at NSU have been already offered in Manipur University and DM College of Science since 1988. He stated that a written report had also been submitted to the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister on the 16th of February to ensure smooth recruitment procedure. Speaking further, he assured that placing the 3 courses within Manipur will facilitate the future players of the state and further accomplish the BJP campaign of reaching the unreached.
Ekuna laigani habagi thajabadu government piragasu mapung oiba university asigi masak mongdi koigi Lucknow da thambagi mong ama ujaw phangi aduna hujik lairiba critical oiba condition chida government na chapchao phire ama laiba 31st May jiboki manung jida haibi dragadi pongdok pidragadi ekhoi sports pu sanaroi sing bu yokaningba tongan tongan bo organization sing sanaroi sing amadi desang wi lairiba volunteers mem punna mafam naidana matam naidana akanba khongjang ama changsilagani.
Governing body of Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School organized a felicitation program for the students of the school who bagged position in the Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education in Manipur, including the first position holder of the art stream, Ningthaujam Radharani, on its campus at Sangakpham today. Taking part in the event, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi maintained that the program will have been more complete if representatives of the present government attended the felicitation program of the successful students of one of the most commendable school with great achievements. He expressed happiness and said it was fortunate that he, along with other Congress members, were able to attend the event even though they are not in the power. Ibobi lauded that the teacher of the school and said the hard work and sacrifice of the teachers played a pivotal role in the success the school has witnessed. The former Chief Minister wished that the successful student lead the society to a right path in the future. He encouraged the student who did not back any position not to be disheartened. Stating that success is unending, Ibobi advised the students to work harder. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, T.N. Haukip, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, MLA Bishnupur Govindas Konthauzam, Secretary of the school, P. Sarachandra, teaching, non-teaching staff, students and parents attended the event.
Hayengi society si laibak se ngasigi khoigi sai nau sing isai su sing mayam punamak sing se afaba nagarik amam oina semamaba aduga khoina angamba khoina sembiramagadi hayengi khoigi society si hojik laiba khoi society si phatre haibagi wanate sidagi hena phaba samajama society ma yamna tangdu laitaba mina yamna ବ୍ୟବହାର tawba yamna regard respect tawba adugumba society ma purakna ba hona bada EK higher secondary na puthoi bai sai nau singi daita se yamna lei haidana khoidi sumna congratulation piba aduga blessing tawba laksabani.
Speaking on the occasion, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said that the achievement of the school will be marked in history. He further lauded the dedication and commitment invested by the school in guiding the students who are the future of the society. Gai Khangam maintained that success is not a destination but a journey and encouraged the students to continue preserving the future. Speaking on the sideline, Secretary of the governing body of EK Higher Secondary School, P. Sarachandra, asserted that the school does not expect every student to be position holders. However, it is the responsibility of the teachers to guide and direct the students in the right path. It may be mentioned that EK Higher Secondary School bagged 9 positions, securing the first 10 position, including topper in the art stream, and altogether 315 students passed in the first division in the Class 12 examination of COSM 2017-18.
makok oye habdi modu oi thokte masigi ase ike school asina phatara khangye marabadani oja singna lisai ma pai daga ba like se tamda ya de heida ya de ike school da hek join to badegi ahom pure e haibase uttaba ya de hadana kanthi thokpana honari base adune honna batai ike school da 12 class pass to sakhi batare kadai romo like tamakana so ike school da tawribe habit ase masigi masi sustain to bolo na masidi su hena honna gada bani haiba determination do adu leibiu
koi school ge horuk padigi na hona since the establishment of the school till date aikoi satra magi yum da chalaga tambiu haide aikoi school tam ge haina lakpa satra do emission test da pass tawraga di madu adum tambiba aikoi satra da bargaining tawba satra gi mama mapa da paisa lona thillaga taman ba kholan ba adugumam ta leite aikoi gi top top angang singbu semba haiba adugi ethics da adum lakshirbani.
SDJM Higher Secondary School also felicitated its student who bagged the 2nd, 3rd and 4th position in the commerce stream of COSAM's Class 12 examination today. 2nd position holder Thokchom Singhajit, 3rd position holder Kennedy Moirangthem and 4th position holder Birjit Haikam were felicitated at the program graced by the MLA Thanga T. Rovindro as the chief guest in the school campus today. As a part of the felicitation program, students were also given career counseling. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO expressed disappointment that senior MCS officer NG Uttam, who has been inducted as the Director-in-Chief of Department of Minority on May 3rd, has not taken charge of the office yet. The organization also drew the attention of the government and the relevant authority to look into the matter and find the reason on why the director in charge has not taken charge yet, despite the government's order to make the department fully functional at the earliest. Speaking to media person at MMWO office in Hatha, president of the organization Fundrei Mayum Abdulal Pathan maintained that MOBC department has been a corrupted department full of misconducts, and as such, Chief Minister Nongthawan Biren was pressurized to set up a separate department for the minorities. He said the Chief Minister gave his assurance at the meeting with representatives of MMWO and on April 5th to set up a separate department for minorities within a month's time. Pathan mentioned that Chief Minister Biren also assured to set up an SIT to probe into the misappropriated funds and schemes of the MOBC department. He said, according to the Chief Minister, an SIT led by Additional Chief Secretary Sohail Akhtar has been formed on 13th of this month and has such appealed to make the SIT begin the investigation at the earliest. Pathan also drew the attention of the government to appoint an executive officer for Manipur State Hajj Committee, which is lying vacant, and that the executive officer should not be lower than the rank of a deputy secretary. A warrant of intense agitation if the government appoints an executive officer lower than the rank of a deputy secretary.
Department of Minorities masih director in charge di mahak order to eva. Adu ngasai bifurcation tawgdaba ani se khaidokna bagi order du thokabra thoktabra ko order du phangmangam jadri ba government anga sisi madu miyam na hainarieba haidi kanagumba MOBC gi makok thongba tribal development cooperation da haidi huran bada haisinga training lo masi MOB kaino MOBC da su amuka ID madu gi haisingo mayam da hena thabko no thoiba miyoi khargi interest ki damakta department of minorities se masigi si ID bifurcation tawdana natragana ID EMG utam chenga si phawba kaino to handana sak lo handana mathau to handabra haibi chingna badu leire miyam na ngangnare ba khoi chu chingna ba phawjil.
A combined team of CDO More and More Police Station led by DSP More, Thomas Thokchom and OC More, Y Shakti Sen, under the supervision of SP Technopal Dr. S. Ibomcha, conducted a raid and arrested one drug peddler along with various incriminating items around 4 p.m. today. The arrested individual is identified as Ngashepam Premila, 50 years, Elise Bemola, wife of Ngashepam Ibomcha from Premnagar, Labuk Laikai, More Ward number 5, 44 WY tablets, around 5 grams of brown sugar, 6 unidentified tablets, 2 bongs, 100 pieces of straw, 16 pieces of fire lighter, 3 mobile handset, 1 power bank, 290 rupees cash, 92 disposable syringes and 49 bottles of sterilized water were seized from the individual. The arrested person along with the seized items were handed over to More police station. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on International Nurses Day observance at Jenims, where State Health Minister announced shutting up for first time in the entire Northeast National Center for Disease Control (NCDC) in Manipur. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. Primetime English News. Health Minister Langpolakpam Jayantakumar has announced that the first ever National Center for Disease Control (NCDC) in the entire Northeast will be established in Manipur. The Health Minister made the announcement while speaking at an International Nurses Day observance organized by Nurses Association (TNAI) Jenims unit at Jenims Auditorium today. Speaking further at the observance in commemoration of the 12th May birthday of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, Jayantakumar stated that many deadly diseases of the past are now cured with the invention of modern medicines. However, new diseases has also evolved at the same time. He expressed apprehension at the possible entrance of a new virus-borne diseases from Myanmar, Thailand and other Asian countries to the state. The Health Minister asserted that the situation calls for establishment of a National Center for Disease Control (NCDC) in Manipur. He also said that land for construction of the center has been already procured. Jayantakumar also mentioned that helicopter ambulance service will be available soon. The Health Minister maintained that doctors, nurses and other workers in the health sector play a significant role in treatment procedure.
Natural changes, since we are bordering other Southeast Asia, Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, Moirom take a lot of the virus in the control down on a vibrate. According to Southeast Asia countries, you have the virus, Lakin in Hybrid, come out of the Northeast, in the African sectors. Akwai state amta da laita makli NCDC na haiba National Center for Disease Control akwai Manipur yana hango laidori.
Around 300 cards of Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang scheme were distributed to beneficiaries in Kurai Nandaibam Laikai Jila Parishad today. The health card distribution event was jointly organized by Directorate of Health Services and Kurai Nandaibam Laikai Jila Parishad. Mass enrollment to avail the same was also conducted on the occasion. MLA Thanga and PDA Chairman T. Rovindro has asserted that Manipur has a rule of law and that accused of Thanga gang rape will be awarded befitted punishment, and that is not shading at the accused. Speaking to media person at his PDA office chamber in North AOC, Rovindro termed it unfortunate that he was alleged of hiding one out of the 4 accused involved in the rape case. The MLA also clarified that the allegation stating that some group of individuals with political influence from BJP leaders threatened the police and SIT probing into the case has nothing to do with him. He maintained that the BJP-led government will never support perpetrators of such heinous crime. Rovindro stated that the state government has solved various cases of crimes against women by setting up a special fast-track court, and that those accused of Thanga gang rape case will be punished. On the other hand, he stated that as an MLA, he will not interfere as SSUM investigation on the matter and lauded the student organization for the initiative. However, he appealed not to raise baseless allegation on innocent person. It may be mentioned that 3 out of the 4 accused of the gang rape cases were arrested, and a special investigation team will look for the absconding accused was also formed.
BJP की साइड की पार्टी की साइड की अदुम्बा अथिंग बगसु तो बुसु लेखिते अदो हजिक लेबा BJP नु लुचिंग गवर्नमेंट साइड की सु अदुम्बा मरा लेबा लेतबा मसुंग हाइबा केस चेने मिसिंग दम दा फाबा यारो हाइबा हाइगिसु लेते याक लंदम दुगी थांग के नदि MLA मोइना याक नसु हाइबा मी फाद वाल द फाबा यारोइना याक साइड के थिंग बुसु लेखिते अदबु पेपर ददि अनि अहुमलक सुम सुम साइगी MLA से याम इन्वॉल्व तो होनिंग बगी MLA ने लोइन कंखले थमे हाइबगी वासे सुम सुम लाकपा याक ना हाइजरी बदी ngsi leba ki ain heba law haba ama leiri ain gi law gi matungina police ta hom thopa investigate tawra kanda adagi phangbo dandi do chapchana phangbo oisinu.
One-day workshop entitled Human Security and Peace Building as a part of Independent Truth Commission Manipur was held with special focus on the rising atrocities against women and children in the state today. Women Committee United NGO Mission Manipur organized the workshop at Hotel Classic, which was attended by leaders of various communities inhabiting the state. Speaking at the sidelines, co-convener of District Women Committee, Imphal West, N. Jivanmala, stated that the workshop will discuss on how far human security has been ensured at the wake of increasing crimes against women and children in the state. She maintained that leaders of every community in the state must take on joint responsibility in ensuring human security to bring peace in the state. Jivanmala also asserted that community leaders should jointly urge the government to bring resolution to various current issues in the state and bring about justice reformation. The co-convener also called on for joint efforts to implement Truth Commission in the state.
For giving justice, adu akoina yam wana thene. Until and unless we pressurize, akoi CBOs and akoi group ma'am sina pressure to rakanda da. Mokoi su khangai mo obi ai moi thabak silamba yai mai magi problem government haiba sidi magi keno yam leira thabak loi chinba magi issue ma'am ama da du tawramba ya adu mapu khara hena keno to bose akoina pressure to rakanda mokoi keno identify to raba finger to rakanda mokoi su thoi yaksin biragadabani adu magi pot se akoi yam collectively akoi toba ma darkar lei haina akoina ngasi gi keno sidagi akoi thamjani me.
All Manipur Muslim Organization Co-Coordinating Committee AMMOCOC has wished for the month-long observance of Ramjan, which will start from tomorrow, to bring peace and harmony among various communities residing in the state. Addressing media person at AMMOCOC office in Hatha, attended by representatives of United Manipur Muslim Women Development Organization and All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, General Secretary of AMMOCOC Wahidur Rahman stated that observance of Ramjan calls for perseverance and harmony among one another. He asserted that Ramzan observance is an integral part of Islam faith. Wahidur Rahman called on each Muslim in the state to strictly abide by the religious rituals. He also stated that a task force of AMOCOC will be put into action to check the same.
हाइरिबा रमजान था असिगी मनुंगदा मियामना लंबी सरोकता बाजारदा होटेलना चिंगबदा रोजा काइबीदनबसो अमुकोक अमदे मसिगा चटमिनरिबा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगना खंगनजरी कनागुंबना उसित थवोइददना चाबा थकपा तौरबदी मधु अमुकोक अमदे मसिगा चटमिनरिबा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगना इस्लाम धर्मबु उसितबनी हाइना लौगनी मधुदा थोलकपा अफफत्तगी दायित्व सिंग मसा मसाना पूजगदा.
Ethno Heritage Council Herikon Manipur, an organization striving to preserve the indigenous culture and identity of Manipur, celebrated its 17th Foundation Day at Gandhi Memorial Hall today. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary General of Herikon Y. Surjit Kumar Kuman stated that the council was formed to enhance harmonious ties among various indigenous communities of Manipur. He maintained that the council has been organizing the festival of Maira Houchongba, celebrated by both the people of the hills and the valley since ancient times every year. Speaking further, Surjit Kumar said that Herikon has also undertaken various initiatives to impart the history of the state to the students of today with an aim to strengthen the ties between different communities in the state. The 9 quiz competition on the theme Khangminashi Iramdam was also held to mark the day. Leaders of various active civil society organizations attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯍꯦꯔꯤꯀꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯝꯊꯤꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯠꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Joint Coordinating Committee of Engineering Department PWD, PHED, WRD, IFCD and MID in a press release expressed their solidarity to the cease work strike called by the Manipur Government Services Federation from May 16. Employees of the Transport Department stays sitting against the non-implementation of the 7 Central Pay Commission as a part of the movement initiated by JC of Amtak and MGO at Babupara today. Speaking to media person, an employee lamented that the government has not taken any significant steps to implement the 7th Pay Commission in the state when the same has been already implemented in many other states of the country. The protester further warned of intensifying their protest until their rightful demand is acknowledged by the government. Second generation all-new Honda Amaze was launched at Shanghai Honda Ghari Airport Road today. Branch Manager Bank of Baroda Imphal Branch, Nijolita, Branch Manager SBI Nambol Branch, Chitan Kumari and Branch Manager Bank of India Imphal Branch Umesh Kumar attended the launching event. Second generation all-new Honda Amaze is a four-wheeler with advanced engine technology and outstanding driving dynamic. Kangleipak Calendar Board in a press release informed that its 10th Foundation Day will be observed at Manipur Press Club in Mezorkul on May 20 and also appealed to all practicing astrologers to attend the event. The press release further urges any individual or organization concerned to exempt the event from any ban or general strike on the said day. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, organized an awareness program on intoxicant, the consequences of its use to the society and the role of the people to curb the intoxicant at Upokpi Mayai Lekai Community Hall in Bishnupur yesterday. Upokpi Youth Development Club, Upokpi Apunba Maira Paibi Loop, Apunba Nupi Loop and CADA jointly organized the event. Speakers at the awareness program spoke at length about drug abuse and its consequences. Now the sports news. Manipur Squash Rackets Association in a press release has notified that the 8 state-level sub-junior, junior boys and girls, master and 6 state-level senior men and women squash championship will be held from May 25th to 27th at Squash Court Sainik School in Pangai. The association informed that the interested players can obtain the details from DYSO Imphal East office in Kumalampak till May 23rd. The press release also mentioned that 5-month non-residential coaching will be conducted at Sainik School Squash Court from May 28 to October 31st this year. Martial Taekwondo Federation in a press release notified that a state trial cum selection for participants of the upcoming 4th International Kyorugi and 3rd International Taekwondo Pumse Championship 2018 will be conducted on the 18th of May 8 a.m. at Indira Gandhi Community Hall, Mekola Bazaar. The championship, jointly organized by Bhutan Taekwondo Federation and Bhutan Olympic Association under the aegis of World Taekwondo Federation, will be held from 2nd to 4th of June 2018. The under-14 base team of Manipur was crowned the champion of the National Youth Football Championship 2018, held from May 4 to 7 at Dollar Stadium, Goa. In the final match of the championship, under-14 Manipuri team dropped Maharashtra by 4-0. Manipur team's Wahengwam Happy was awarded the Best Player title for Under-14 category. While in the semi-final match of Under-19 category of the championship, Goa beat Manipur by 1-0. Wheelchair Fencing Association of Manipur in a press release notified that results are out for the selection trials conducted for participants of the upcoming National Para Games organized by Paralympic Committee of India (PCI) at Bangalore in Karnataka from on June 26 to July 5th. The association further informed that a 25-day non-residential coaching camp for the selected candidates will be held at Hawam Mara Kangjam Laikai on May 18. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Health Minister showed discussion on issues of shifting of district hospital from Sagolmang in today's cabinet meeting. The Assam strongly condemns recommendation to place major courses of National Sports University in Uttar Pradesh. EK Higher Secondary School felicitated its Class 12 successful students. Congress leaders encourage students to lead society in the right path. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization urges full functioning of the Department of Minority at the earliest. And MLA Thanga clarifies that there is no question of shielding Khanga gang rape accused, says bail-fitted punishment will be awarded to the accused.